Now, evaluating the AI trade requires a multidimensional framework that moves beyond the binary bull case or the bear case positioning. In our framework, we propose assessing positions through three lenses: valuation sustainability, monetization velocity, and concentration risk. So, as per our valuation sustainability assessment, you can see the table on your screens now. You can see the current PE, forward PE versus the 5-year average, and our assessment of the same, wherein Nvidia is compression absorbed, Microsoft is below the trend, Meta is value emerging, Alphabet is trading at a premium, and Amazon is normalized. A critical dynamic that is reshaping the AI trade is the convergence of earnings growth rates. Magnificent 7 earnings growth is projected at 18% for 2026, the slowest pace since 2022, compared to 13% for the remaining S&P 493 companies. Now, the narrowing spread, that is from 40 plus percentage points in 2024 to just 5 points in 2026, undermines the thesis that AI names deserve perpetual valuation premiums over the broader market. So, as far as the positioning implications are concerned, the framework suggests a nuanced approach that acknowledges both the genuine transformation that is underway and the repricing risk from elevated expectations. We would also like to share with you the risk-reward matrix by scenario. For example, if you have a monetization accelerating scenario, you have a 35% probability of the same, the max 7 impact being 15 to 25%, and the positioning is overweight in infrastructure. Then you have the steady state wherein you have a 40% probability of this particular scenario. The max 7 impact here being from minus 5 to plus 10 percentage points, wherein you need to be selective and quality focused. Then you have the capex rationalization, which has a 20% probability, and the max 7 impact being from minus 15 to plus 25%. And this means rotating to S&P 493 companies. Finally, you have the systemic AI correction, the probability being 5%, and the max 7 impact being from minus 30 to 40%. In this scenario, we are mainly concerned about the defensive rotation. In wrap-up, we can say that the AI trade is transitioning from momentum-driven phase to fundamental-driven phase. Multiple compression has already absorbed some of the speculative excess, but the gap between the infrastructure investment and demonstrable monetization remains a central risk. The selective positioning in names with cleanest earnings visibility, for example in Nvidia and Meta and Alphabet, appears more attractive than the broad max 7 exposure. The earnings growth convergence with S&P 493 suggests maintaining diversification rather than concentrated AI bet.